welcome back to another vlog. I think I'm starting the vlog after so many days. I think it was Mayank who was starting the vlogs for the past few days. And what I'm doing right now is picking up something from the floor. I don't know, something is here. And then, so I came back from work and Mayank, you guys know that he launched his new channel, the food channel. So go check the intro out. It's super amazing. We're super excited. He also shot his first recipe video today, which I got to taste it as soon as I came back home. So I'm super excited. It was so delicious. I'm not gonna tell you what it is right now because it's gonna come out on his channel on Wednesday. So stay tuned. Wednesday is gonna be, today's what? 10th June 2020. His first recipe video is gonna be out, so please stay tuned and go and check out the intro video right now. Anyways, I'm hungry, so I just had my breakfast when I was at work, and now I'm gonna eat my lunch. What I'm doing is I'm heating up lentils. So I made these lentils last night from which lentil? Let me check. It's called Moong Dhuli. Here, this one is the lentil, and yes, I like to keep it all organized with the tags properly. So this one is the lentils, and I cooked it yesterday in crock pot for 5 hours with some spices, and it just came out so delicious. How I like to eat that is I don't eat it with any rice or roti or anything like that. I just top it off with some papri and done. That is how I like to eat this lentils. So yeah, I'm gonna quickly make my lunch, and you can see there are like so many dishes over here. That is because Mayank was making his dish, and I'm just gonna put everything in the dishwasher. And you want to say hi to Marvel? Hi baby, look at him. Hi baby. Did you miss mommy when mommy was gone for work? Look at him. Look at him. Anyways, so I'm super. Also, a very good news for me is that our gym is about to open, the community gym. So I'm super excited to go there because these days we have been going out for running, like a 2-mile run, and then we sweat like crazy and it feels good. After I think 2.5 hours. So I told Mayank that I'm just gonna go lie down for like 5 minutes and then I'll be back, but I ended up sleeping, and now it's 5:41. Mayank is off work. I didn't even do the dishes, so I'm just quickly gonna clean up the kitchen. And let me keep this camera here. Yeah, quickly clean it up, and then so we can feed Marvel.
We gave walk to Marvel, and I'm cooking a quick dinner. She is not hungry and I am super hungry. So
because you saw I had such a big portion of the lentils, so I'm not hungry.
Yeah, she came back and she had like lentils with those papri in it and all that. So she's not hungry at all, but I'm kind of hungry. So I am cooking a very quick paneer recipe.
How are you gonna make it?
I'm not even adding onions to it.
You just made a
tomato. Yeah, I'm just using tomato puree, ginger garlic, some masalas in it, and
I'll make roti for you.
That should do it. Garlic and ginger paste. Messy.
What is it? Dry masala. So whenever I am not eating, that is the day when he wants to make something extra delicious and try something new. And the days that I'm eating, he'll just make the same stupid food.
That's not true.
That is true.
I try to take shortcuts just because she is not eating.
No,
I'm not even adding onions. I'm not.
It's not about not adding onions. It's about trying new things when I'm not eating and making it delicious. And then when he eat it, he'll be like, "Ooh, it come out so good."
I'm still making enough for 2 people.
I'm not eating it. Come on, Marvel. You want water? Here. Oh my god, I was so thirsty. Anyways, so he's making dinner. I'm gonna make roti for him. And that's it. I think I'm gonna drink tea. I don't feel like eating anything right now, so. Alright, his dinner is made. Is it good?
Ooh, spicy over here.
But it's good?
Very
See?
different good.
See? What did I say? Very different good, he just said. Seriously, I'm making tea for myself. And let me show you his food. Ooh! Dishwasher. Let me show you his plate. Look at his plate. So we got this 2 plates from Amazon with the compartment ones, and I remember we used to get these plates in our hostel in our school days. So yeah, here's a plate. Here's his raita, his roti, his leftover aloo ki sabji, and then the paneer ki sabji that he made right now. So it's all done. My water is heated up. Here's my tea and aloe, and I just need to add water to it. The other day I made caramel latte with whipped cream and caramel swirl. Oh my god, it was so good. I'll definitely share the recipe with you guys very soon. And yeah, here's my tea. I'm just gonna go enjoy my tea now. And look at Marvel. I have to go and give him his treat because he is being a good boy, sitting on his bed while mommy and daddy are having dinner. So that's his reward. It's a beautiful day outside, you see. It's nice and sunny. And what's the time? Oh my god, it's just 6:48. I didn't even realize. It's just 6:48 and he's eating his dinner and I'm having my tea. Well, he's eating early dinner because of some reason. I will explain you later on what new thing that he tried today. So yeah, he's gonna have his first bite. Good? Anyways, we'll see you guys in some time.
Okay guys, so today Tanya and I didn't go for a run, and the reason I was eating that early was that I was doing a water cleansing today. So basically I was just drinking water all day. So it was a 24-hour thing. I started yesterday at 7, I finished today at 7 exactly, and I started eating. So
yeah, I didn't even know. And then when I was at work and I called him during my break, he was like, babe, you know what, I'm doing water fasting today. And
yeah.
Cleansing, sorry. And I was like, what? Seriously?
So I was just gonna give it a try today and see if I can stretch 24 hours without eating and just drinking water. So I don't really like to decide like, oh, on this day I'm gonna do it, because then it never works out, trust me.
Yeah, for us it never works out like that.
So I'm like, I just woke up this morning, I was feeling energetic, and I'm just feeling happy right now. I mean, you can ask her, there's no headache, nothing, like totally nothing. I'm just at my 100% game. So, but anyways, we didn't go to run today, so we are just going on a 30-minute walk, or maybe 40, I don't know. Yeah. We are just gonna give a big round of walk around our community, and then we'll come back and see you guys then.
Yeah.
Okay, so we are back. Okay, lighting. Okay, we are back and there she is. We are very sweaty. It's 9:25.
He did try to open the dustbin.
All my rings.
The dustbin is like this and this is over here. But he
Mm.
couldn't.
Somebody must have been naughty.
Or he did. Yes, he did, babe.
Marvel, who did this? Who did it?
He has a yogurt container.
Who did it? Why were you eating my yogurt?
That's wrong, Marvel.
Well, at least he just had yogurt, I guess.
Yeah, it was just plain yogurt and this is an empty
Okay.
packet.
Yeah, it was an empty
paneer.
packet. Okay, put the gate here.
Yeah.
Porter is not gonna work anymore.
Yeah.
Anyways, guys, we are sweating like anything. We did almost a 2-mile walk at a very relative fast pace, I would
Yeah,
say.
it's not very slow.
So we are gonna take shower and hit the bed. So while you guys go check out that other channel, we are gonna go sleep. Good night.
My beautiful people, I am ready to go to work and I'll see you guys in our next vlog. So I'm gonna end this right now and bye bye. Have a great day, have a great week.